How's it? We've seen the deer. It's just over there, 300 metres away. Easy shot for the 223, but unfortunately I think it's on the neighbour's property, so we can't shoot it. And even if we were to be able to shoot it, there's a massive gully in between here and the deer. It would take us a couple of hours to get down there and across there, and we're just trying to find an easy one because. Well, the good news is it's actually on our property. We can shoot it. It's going to disappear soon. It's a 317 metre shot.
I don't want to shoot if Hamish isn't shooting it.
Alright, I might have a crack at knocking it over. Where is it? There. Just watch on the camera, Charles, so I see where I'm going to have it.
Yeah. Oh. I didn't see where that hit. Oh, it's running. Oh, see it? It's above.
That's its mum, I think.
Oh, there's a baby down below.
I was shooting through some trees. I didn't realise I couldn't see the trees in the scope, and when we looked at the video footage there was a couple of dead kanukas just in front of it, so fingers crossed I've smacked it. We'll cruise on over there, and yes, hopefully there'll be a dead yearling just inside the bush. Yeah, we might be able to drive all the way to the deer, I think. Right on. We've driven over just above to where we shot the deer, fortunately. Didn't realise there was a road all the way around. I'm glad we didn't decide to go down and bush bash across, because we'd probably be in there for 2 or 3 hours. So we've done it the easy way. We're just going to cruise around, and hopefully it's just dead in the bush. Yeah. Char. Alright, you ready? Hold it. 1, 2, 3, go boys, pull it. Let it go right inside. Let's it go. Ooh, Jesus. Back at the scene of the crime because old Numbnut shot a hind yesterday, not a yearling. This is the lovely Lucy, and hopefully the lovely Lucy's going to find the fawn for us. More quails.
Lucy.
Come here, Lucy. Stay close. Calm down, you stupid mongrel. Eh? Oh, that's cool. What is that?
Looks like a baby possum. Rat?
Yeah, baby possum. Oh, sniffer hound, can't find it. We're going to cut back down, cut back round the hill now. We've come up across high. Going to cut down a bit lower. Boys have searched high and low to no avail. Bugger. Oh, it's warm. Come on, little dog. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lou. Come on, Lou.
Get in, Lucy. Lucy. Come here. Lucy. Lucy. Lucy.
Lucy, get in the truck.
Lucy.
She's quit for the day. She's knocked off. It's not even midday. Come on, Ziggy. Pipi time! Pipi time! Man, it's such a warm day on the west coast, east coast. Ziggy! We're not even going to need to put our wetsuits on today because it's going to be super shallow. We'll go give it a crack without wetties. Oh, maybe. Oh, no, put wetties on. Okay, you'll catch back when you come in, eh? It's in the front seat, I'll do it. Flippy time. Come on, Ziggy. Come on. Be interested to see how deep Ziggy goes. Ah, yes, sweet puppies. You've got to dig a couple of centimetres down into the sand. Yeah, chuck the babies away. If it wriggles under your foot, jump off it, it's crap.
Oh, there's one.
Get up! Get up! Do you know where we're going, mate?
No.
I don't actually know either. Do you know where we're going, Hamish?
No.
Got the map. Charlie's going to navigate. Navigating. Oh my goodness, it is a windy, freezing cold day, 8 degrees on the inland Kaikoras. Alright, into the rain.
Babe, go grab this.
Holy shit, it's freezing. Ah, the old shit point, eh? The old shit point. Man, it's such a shit freezing cold day. Surely we're going to see a fella soon. Alright, we've seen one out in the middle of the clearing over there. Right, we've spotted a young one, young fellow. We've seen a buck and a yearling. We're going to go shoot the yearling or the young spiker. Yeah. It's bloody freezing cold. It's bitterly cold up here. We can't spend too much time on the hill. Someone's going to go down with us.
I've just seen a fellow across the gully. I think it's close enough to smoke.
Right, we spotted one. It's drifting in and out of the trees just over here. Boys are just getting a rest. Hopefully it'll pop out in a position we can shoot it.
So I'm going to range there.
How far?
Oh, yeah, 250s in that big cloud.
We've just spied one a bit closer, 130 metres away, but it's moved down the hill, so we've repositioned. We can see the mum, but we can't see the yearling at the moment. The one we want to shoot's moved into the trees. We don't want to shoot a buck or a mature hind. We just want to shoot a young one or a spiker. But yeah, he's moved down into that carnuka there and we can't see him, so we're just waiting for him to come out. It's stopped raining now and it's not as cold. We can actually see another one bedded down on a clearing over there that's a shooter, but it's 280 metres a long way away. 280, 380, can't remember. 280 metres. We might have to shoot that one, I think. Up there. Wait till it stops. Can you see it, Hamish? Well, when it stops, bro, shoot it right behind the shoulder.
And safety on. Smoke it, Hamish.
Oh, crap. Hamish, you need to shoot it, bro. It's going to disappear.
Smoke it, see it? See it?
Can you see it, Hamish?
Smoke it, smoke it.
Good shot, good shot.
Smoked.
Watch where it goes, boys. Watch where it goes.
Shall I reload?
Yep, reload.
That could have been the touch off.
Good shot. Just watch where it was. Watch where it is. We're videoing Hamish then.
Yep. I'll try and watch it around.
We knocked it.
I didn't even feel the gun at all. I know, it's no kick, eh? Yeah.
Hamish just poleaxed his one. Great shot, 140 metres, and we've just seen another one at 280 metres. We're going to have a crack at it, another young one.
Yep, whenever you're ready, Dad. Yep, whenever you're ready, Dad. Oh, in front of it, in front of it. Smoke it. Nah, he's in the bush to the left.
Bugger, just in front of it. Quite a stiff breeze from left to right. I didn't adjust for that. And the thermal is so good. HIK micro. I just wave across the hill and oh, here's one. Oh, there's one over there. Oh, there's another one over there. This takes a lot of the time out of hunting, especially when you're harvesting and it's freezing cold like this. We just want to shoot a meat animal, get back in the truck. Boys are just getting a couple of landmarks, and when we get over there we're going to be able to find it because it's going to look a lot different when we're over there. Boys needs a new boots. The boonies are getting a bit old and they've got no tread left. Slipping and sliding down the hill. Commitment. Good guess, eh? Nice.
Look how he smoked it there. Look at
Good
this.
girl, Ziggy.
Look at this thing.
Cracker shot.
Look at that. Smoked it right there.
Good shot, Hamish. It's a shame I missed my one, isn't it? Would have had 2 yearlings on the ground.
On my phone?
Yeah.
Look at that.
And when you first shoot a deer, what's the tradition, Hamish?
Take a bite out of its heart.
Yeah, bro.
Did you swallow it when you first?
Yeah, you have to swallow it, bro.
Oh.
You have to swallow. You can't spit it out. Everyone knows that.
What?
Good.
I'll run Mum when we get back and then talk to her.
Right, we've got to get it on Hamish's back and get it up the hill. Hamish is returning the spirit of the deer to the forest after sending it to heaven.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That's it, nice technique. Good, good work. Yep, that's it. If you get it,
I'll give you a hand. Yeah. So if you can walk over and up.
that's it. Nice.
Turn your back, I'm tall.
How's it feel, bro?
A bit uncomfortable,
Oh, you just got to climb right up to the top of that hill over there. Hamish has got to get on the intercity bus this afternoon too. He's going to be covered in blood and mud and have a deer with him. They're going to let you take the deer on. We'll chop the deer up for him. We'll chop it up and deliver it to him.
You know I was bound to ramble. I was born to get gone. For you, this Hong Kong.
Bit of teamwork going on here. Well done, lads.
I ain't never had much direction,
Get out there.
but I never got lost.
Get out to spike him. All my clothes and my bag.
Yeah, Spiker do make a pretty mean bino harness, I'll have to say.
This old soul bleed. Turn back your desperate glares when you're in need.
Oh, slippery boots.
See, I don't
Sliding away there. Hey?
This meant four-wheel drive.
but I will fall out of sight.
It's a long way to Tipperary. Pretty slippery.
Save the sun for the night. And when I grow tired,
Swapsies. You want me to carry it?
Yes, I do want you to carry it.
people they will whisper.
Come on, Ziggy.
They say,
Go on, Ziggy. Go on.
hell that old fool when ram himself to the bone.
Get up. Get up.
I reckon
You go, boys.
he
Lift
would
her up.
die all alone. He just sitting there, sipping on that glass.
Back down the hill. What was your favourite part of the day, mate?
Shooting my first deer.
Talking about his
Ah,
past.
that was my favourite part too.
But don't ever ask him if he's ever been tied down. Cause a rambling man's got ties in every town. So don't turn your back, I'm talking.
Come on, Ziggy.
Talking about how I live on you no more. And don't fucking close the door, I'm walking walking off your line like so many times before. Off your line like so many days before.
How's it taste, lads?
Bloody good.
Bloody good, eh? Pipi, hunk of butter. How's it going, lads? Nice, good skills. Boys getting it done. They're going to save the skin. Can it? Such a nice skin.
When did I drop?
Oh, good work, lads.
Taking this thing for a ride.
Charlie's chain's a bit loose. I just adjusted mine, cleaned it, oiled it. Look at this. Oh, clean as. Yep. Oh, it actually looks a bit tight now. I'll have to loosen her off a bit. I didn't check it once I done the wheel nuts up. But I've got a chain straightener adjuster coming in the mail. Goes on your sprocket and you can line your chain up. If you don't have one or lost in space. Anyway, we're going to tighten Charlie's chain up. You going to tighten it up? How you do it?
Well, I've already tightened it, like full, as tight as it can go, I'm pretty sure.
How tight is it, mate? Is it done?
No, it's pretty loose. I need to give it a clean as well. Oh.
Hey?
Pretty loose.
Alright, well let's do it, eh? Let's tighten her up. It's actually back all the way as far as it'll go. Gonna have to take a link off it. What she do? She got bloody
Hole in there.
hole in there.
Buggered that clip.
Chewed that buckle.
The chest clip's buggered.
The handle's buggered. What else did she do?
I think that's about it.
Oh, look at the chest clip. Absolutely rooted. Hey, you little mongrel. What do you got to say for yourself?
Having some hard traveling, I thought you knowed. I've been having some hard traveling way down the road. I've been having some hard traveling, hard rambling, hard gambling. I've been having some hard traveling, Lord.
Thanks. Good mission. Oh, good dog, Ziggy. You stayed here. Come on, mate. Good dog. Oh, we've been gone, what, all of 15 minutes? Bit of office work, Char.
Yep.
Let's go skin that hair. Just roasting some vegetables to go with the liver that's been soaking in milk in the fridge for a couple of days. But first we're going to go skin that hare that we shot last night. It's like trying to get Sonny out of his bloody wetsuit. Just roll it up. think use brandy or sherry or wine to deglaze the pan with, but I'm just using beer. Because I don't have any of that fancy stuff. Bang some sweet chili in there too, just because I don't have the sweetness of the sherry or the brandy, so she'll be right, mate. What you got, Ziggy? Where is it? Good girl. Where is it? In there. Aha! I think Ziggy's found the chicken nest. Aha! You found ya. Look at that stash of eggs. Haha! Alright, that's one chicken nest. Just got to find out where the other two are laying now. There's a decent amount of eggs in there. Good girl. Sonny got a new motorbike. He's been fanging around on it for the last hour, so I've got to drop the oil out and give it its first oil change.
And I've been going on it for yesterday. Skin's dry.
Alright, get that container under there, buddy.
This one?
Yeah, slide it right under there where my hand is.
Coffee. Probably just paint it, yeah.
Oh, that's hot.
What were you grabbing? The oil touches the sticky markers.
Thought we were going to have to go get some more oil because it recommends 10W40 and the other oil is 5W40, so we'll put some 10W40 in, slightly thicker viscosity. Dot, how do you like that bike?
Good. Love it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Should we go set the crayfish pot out?
Yep.
Gonna go grab the kayak and then we'll come back, grab the crayfish pot, go down on the beach and paddle it out, chuck it in overnight and see if we get any crayfish.
Do you go paddle?
Oh yeah, probably should grab one of those, eh? Would have been hand paddling it out. Oh, yeah.